Guys, okay, so I wanted to go over how we are going to use these elements to make a baby mobile. And don't mind the noise here today. We've got homeschooling going on and whatnot, so we're just going to ignore that. All right, so we have these little llamas, and they're actually ornaments, like Christmas ornaments. So they have a little loop here for the string already. So that made it super easy to do this. And I actually haven't decided on my exact design, so I'm gonna take you along with me. There were some ideas in my head, like, you know, doing beads in a string like this going, but I decided that would be a little too busy. But I do want some beads. I painted these. So I'm just gonna start by stringing my llamas, and you might want a pair of tweezers if you know, you don't want to struggle like I'm going to right here. And you can use any kind of string. So there's two ways you can do this. You can just loop it all the way up like this and around. But I decided that I like the look of it being just one string. And we're gonna hang all of the llamas at uneven levels. So we don't want them all the same. So you don't have to worry too much about having everything exact. But if you want exact, you're gonna want to pre-cut your string. And then I'm just gonna cut this down right here, okay? So you can see how on the top llamas like this, we're gonna go closer to the top. We'll string that one down maybe slightly. And then we're gonna hang these down a little bit further this way. What my idea is when I do my top string on this branch is just to put one bead here and one bead here, and then it'll loop up this way for the wall hanging part. So why don't we go ahead and cut our string, give a little bit of extra length to work with. That way you're not upset later. Okay. And just one simple knot will do this just fine. Okay, so we're gonna check our length, and I think I'm gonna go up to here. We'll tighten that. We'll give it another little knot to keep it in place, like that, okay? Now we have one llama on, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I should have probably got that into place a little bit better before I kept moving along. Okay, so our placement is going to be about there. So again, and should we just wing it and cut it about there? See how we go? So again, slip it through the hole if you can. So I will go ahead and finish this, and then I will do another video of the end part where we're actually gonna put the finishing touches on, and I'll show you how that goes. So